Here's a really great way to monetize your talents that most musicians are not doing. Look, creating any type of income in the music industry is an awesome way to earn, have fun, and do what you love. But what a lot of musicians aren't doing is really taking advantage of teaching. It's just another fun way to make money in the music industry. So for example, you could be a vocal coach, you could be a drum coach, you could teach people how to rap, you could teach people how to perform on stage. Whatever it is that you're good at, you can teach. And you only gotta be a step ahead of the person for you to teach them something. So you don't have to have accomplished world domination. For example, when I first started out, I taught artists how to book shows. That was something that I knew how to do because I had booked 2,500 shows for myself. I'd traveled all over the world and toured and did really cool stuff. So one of the first courses that I ever released was how to book shows. If you're an artist, musician, singer, rapper, songwriter, if there's anything that you can do that you know that there's someone out there that would like to do that thing, then you can create courses, coaching programs, or other mediums to teach people, and you can charge them for it. And last, what's really cool about that is you can actually do it on automation and you can charge for it. If you want more tips and tricks for musicians on this subject, check the description and I'll send you a link so you can sign up for free.